Water is one of our most precious resources, yet we seem to take it for granted. We pollute it, dump chemicals into it, then try to clean it up with more chemicals like chlorine. And hey, by the way, where does all that chlorine go? Do we really want it in our bodies? Hi, I'm Ellen Losey, and you're watching Health Watch. Dr. Carolyn Morocco is here with us, and she's going to tell us how to get the chlorine and pollutants out. Well, what do you say, Doctor?
Well, scientists and government agencies have issued warnings on the unhealthy contamination of our public water supplies. Over 253 organic chemicals have been identified in our drinking water.
Wow.
However, recently, the danger's gotten worse.
Uh-oh.
Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up your water and how to save money.
Now you're talking my language.
We all know that our drinking water is not the clean, clear liquid that we used to drink. That's why everyone is carrying around bottled water.
Yeah, but that gets expensive and creates a lot of wasted plastic bottles.
There's also been some bad press coverage questioning the purity of some bottled waters. But first, let's take a look at our tap water. We've taken this cup of water straight from the tap, and we're adding about 7 drops of a chlorine level tester from a common swimming pool test kit. If there's chlorine in the water, it will turn yellow.
Yikes! I didn't realize our water had that much chlorine in it.
It does, but watch how just a little tiny bit of microhydrin can remove the chlorine.
Wow. All right, now what just happened there?
Well, chlorine is an oxidant, and microhydrin is an incredibly powerful antioxidant. It neutralized this harmful oxidizing form of chlorine. Remember that chlorine is added to public water supplies and swimming pools because it kills bacteria and other harmful organisms.
Right.
In other words, it's intended to be a strong free radical.
Yeah.
The problem is it can also act as a free radical in our bodies as well. So the idea is to allow the chlorine to do its job in the water, then remove the chlorine with microhydrin before we drink the water.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense to me. Does microhydrin do more than just neutralize bad water?
It does. I use it before my workouts to reduce lactic acid and for increased energy and endurance.
All right, well, I've got it. Microhydrin will neutralize the chlorine in your water, plus give you energy, endurance, and recovery.
You've got it.
Well, that's a very economical alternative to bottled water. I like it. And here's wishing you a longer, healthier life. See you next time on Health Watch.